Hey guys, what's going on? And today we are doing another tech video. I've got something here that I've been wanting to get for quite a while, and there is different versions of it. There's a white of it, then there's the X Pro, I think there is of it, and I just got the normal Pro version because the X Pro is just more lighter and has a better battery. But to be honest, I think this will do me fine. But anyway, I just want to tell you something. I went for my first vaccine jab today. My left arm is it feels dead, but I feel pretty much fine. I just got up because I went to bed late last night because I was playing some Valorant with my friend Con, and I had to go to the vaccine place early in the morning. So that's why I went to bed early. Just went to bed just a bit ago, and I just got up to do this review, the tech review that I have got. So let me talk about what I got, right? So I got a new mouse because I wanted one and I wanted a wireless one. Now, I've been thinking about wireless mouses for quite a while because are they good? Are they decent? And are they, response time? And apparently this one is one of the best, or was one of the best when it first came out. And it's I don't know how old it is now. I wouldn't say it's that old, but it was used by pro teams in the day when it came out, and I still think it's quite good. It's not a flashy mouse, it's not very flashy, but it's kind of expensive. So this mouse at the minute costs £110 or £120, depends where you get it from. I got it from 80 because I went on Facebook Marketplace, and when you go on Facebook Marketplace, you can get shit for cheap. But anyway, the one that I got is the Logitech G Pro Wireless, and I got it from Facebook Marketplace. It has not been opened, so yeah, I can't wait to have a look at it. So that's what we're going to do, and have a look and open it all the way up. So here it is, the G Pro, what is it called? The G Pro? It is called the Logitech G Pro Wireless. And yeah, as you can see, it hasn't been opened at all. I hope there's not a rock in it like I always say, but you never know with these type of things. But I wouldn't have thought so, because if there is, I know where the guy lives because I picked it up from him. And yeah, so let's go open it. I don't know why. You know what I don't get? I don't know why people buy things and then never use them. Maybe he got given it as a gift and he never used it. Maybe he doesn't feel like wireless mouses are a thing. But anyway, let's open it with my trusty nail clipper thing, whatever it is, and see what we have inside. I don't know where I should open it though. It's like a box kind of thing here, so we're just going to open it and hopefully it will be fine. It's only a box at the end of the day. Sorry for the screen wobbling. I've kind of got it on this Elgato thing at the minute, and I'm kind of like testing this new setup that I've got with my phone. So my phone's recording this thing, and I am using my OBS to record my voice. I could use Audacity. I don't know why I didn't do that. But it doesn't matter. Anyway, let's open this up, this bad boy up. I've always wanted a wireless mouse for a while, because I've always wanted to, move my hand all the way around like the Surface. But yeah, I don't know how this is going to be. Is this going to be good? I don't know. I hope it's going to be good. I hope so. Let's just... God, come on. God, I hate all these boxes. You have to fucking force it out. And then everything goes everywhere when it comes off. There you go. So, all in all, it's got this little... it's got one damper. You seen that? It's got one damper. I want to see how actually the mouse is, how heavy it is. From this mouse that I've got here, as you guys can see, it's on the screen. It's a wide mouse. It's not a very heavy mouse. It doesn't really say it's made in China. It's gaming mouse. That's all it says on it. It's one of them cheap ones that you find from Amazon or eBay. And yeah, so let's pick... Oh my god, that is so much lighter. And this isn't even the super light, by the way. Oh my god, when I pick that up, that is really light. That is... It's got to tell me how much light it is, right? Wait, where is it? Wait. Weight, 80 grams. Damn. So that the one that I've got here must be 100 and something, because that is quite heavy. That is quite heavy. What else is in the box? Let's have a look. Play to win. I thought it said pay to win. Then I was going to say Jesus, probably. Most likely, if it makes me any better. So we got a sticker. You gotta love your stickers right there. There you go. Boom. And we have, that is your wire if you need to charge it. And I think also if your battery is running low and you definitely need to charge it, you can plug it in and it will still work. So that is a good thing. And I think it's got like a magnet to it, kind of like a thing to it. Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe. But either way, it's got like a good thing. The only bad thing about it is not Type-C, which I thought it would be. But it's a charger, so it will still work. Anything in here? What tells me anything about it? It tells me something about the buttons. So it does have like multiple buttons. It's got stem ones that you can put. It's, you know, different sides. These ones, that's already on it. The left side, which I'll use, and he's got the right side as well. I'll already use the left side, so I don't need the other ones. So that's fine. At least you can like put the other side if you are left-handed or right-handed. So yeah, that's decent. We have a little thing here. I'm guessing these are the extra buttons. Yeah, these are the extra buttons. So I may as well have a look at them, which is cool. What is this? Oh, is that the dude, that's the dock in it. That is the dock. So the question is, wait. So this goes into your PC, right? Yeah. And then what's this for? Is this for like, I don't know what this is for. What's that goes into that? That confuses me. I'll figure it out. I'll have to read up on that. So these are the extra buttons you've got here. I don't know why you've got 4. I think you've got some to cover the one and some to not. So I'll look after them. I don't think I need them because I've already got them here. Which is a nice click, to be honest. They've got nice clicks to it. Let's have a look at the mouse. And how good it actually moves on the surface. My speech today is kind of bad. Okay, right. Let's put that on there. And put that back in there. We definitely need the sticker. That's the best thing in this thing. We definitely need the sticker. So let's put that over here so you guys can see that. But it doesn't really matter. You guys know what I'm doing. So this one here, my normal mouse moves kind of fine, perfectly. I need to take this off, which would be nice to do. Oh God, I'm not good at peeling stuff. Oh, I did. I peeled it. I peeled it fine. So this one, I don't know what the buttons do at the back. So it's kind of got a nice move to it, actually. So I can kind of like push it like that. That doesn't have a push. So if you look at both of them, so that one's got a kind of glide to it. That one doesn't. So this one's got a more of a glide to it. So that's kind of good that it's got a glide to it. As you can see, you got the pad things here. This is where you can actually open, I think. I don't know how to open this. I don't know how to open that. But I think you can actually store your thing around. I think I've got to go like that now. Yeah, there you go. Nope, nope. It unlocks somehow. Basically, you can store your dock thing in there, the little thing. I don't think there's anything else in there, if I'm being honest with you. But we'll figure that out. So, yeah, I think I just plug that in and it works. But I like that it's got a glide to it, so I can go like that. The thing is, I'm gonna have to test it on Valorant and see how that is, or other games as well. It's got a nice clicks to it. Like this one's got some. This gaming mouse here is more louder than this one, so that's kind of good. Yeah, I like the Logitech buttons. They feel more clicky, if you know what I mean. It feels more clicky. And you've got your your wheel. This is the Logitech one hasn't got a click to it. But it's got a nice indication of it. So yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna have to test this out. I'm gonna have to test this bad boy out and see what it's like. You know what I do need though? I need to read the thing again, actually, because I don't know what that thing is for. So I'm gonna have to read that again. But yeah, that is the Logitech G Pro. So there you go. I'm gonna have to test this bad boy out and like use it for a while, and I'll get back to you on how it is, how it's holding up. And apparently the battery life is kind of like, hold on, the battery is at least 48 hours with the RGB light, which is just literally a G. I don't know why you would have it on unless if it does look cool. But without it, now wait a minute, without it, the battery life is 60 hours. That is quite good. That is quite good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tech video today. I got the G Pro Wireless, and I'm going to test it out for you guys, see how it is. I know there is a super light version of this one, and I know there's probably better other ones out now, but this one has always been good, and Logitech's always good with the stuff that they bring out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on whatever I do. Peace.